Welcome to How To. This is how to edit a PDF or convert a PDF into a Word format. Come to ilovepdf.com. Now you've got an edit PDF there, but I recommend using the Word one. So as I say, someone sent you a form and you have to fill in your name and boxes and put your details in or whatever information they require of you. So click PDF to Word, select the PDF you want to. So we'll do sample here. Convert it to Word over there on the right, download, and what I'll do to show you that it's worked is that I'll open, upload, there it is, sample. So I'm opening it in Google, but it'll work in Word as well. It's just that I haven't logged into Office 365. As you can see, you can edit, do what you want there. I feel that you're better off doing this than if you want it to go back to a PDF, you just go to File, download, and you can click as PDF there, and then you'll have your altered PDF with the rubbish I put in there. Okay, so if this was any use to you, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you. Goodbye.